This one stretch is just absolutely fantastic. You can see the road for kilometers together. It's a beautiful stretch. Madhu, tumba munde hogbeda, photo tegibeku, tumba munde hogbeda. Madhu, matadu mare. It's an amazing stretch. We're just stopping for some photo shoot. So what we are doing now is, for the next couple of kilometers, it's going to be off-road. So it's in record mode, yes. So I'll be in the back to shoot all of them. GoPro, wire light, and also Insta360. क्रॉस आ जाऊंगा ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದು off-road continues here. So we are not taking the main road. Instead, we are taking the off-road and then joining the main road ahead. We had some crazy off-road fun. Done with that and onto the mainland again. My God, that off-road was so brilliant, especially getting down the slope. Beautiful. Now off to Leh. Before that, we have one more thing to do. We have the Magnetic Hill where we'll stop again and then do some basic photo shoots and everything and then go towards the bay. Beautiful twisty and windy roads. Beautiful. So Hemant Bhai has stopped us in a place which is just 32 kilometers away to Ladakh, and he'll tell you why. Okay. Sangam. So this is Sangam. This is Indus River coming from Leh. और वो क्या है? Jhanskar River coming from there, and this is the Sangam point. So you have Indus River and Jhanskar River coming.
अभी एक रोड का काम चल रहा है। अभी आपने एक बोर्ड पढ़ा होगा, चिलिंग कुछ को बोर्ड वहाँ तक रोड है। ये रोड मेरा तो रेस्ट कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, उसके बाद आप झांसकर फिर झांसकर सीधे यहाँ आ सकते हो।
झंस्कार से
अपने पदुम करके
झंस्कार करके। ओके,
ये रोड जा रहा है पदुम के लिए।
ब्यूटीफुल।
कौन सा
So here we are at what is this place? Magnetic Hill, where there's this particular place where you just park your car and put it to neutral. The car will automatically go forward, though it's a hill climb. It will just go front. That's the phenomenon which is seen here. But
अरे हेलो, यहाँ आगे जाके वीडियो करके चलना ऊपर।
So yeah, we just stopped a quick stop for checking out the phenomenon of Magnetic Hill. So yeah, not too much of a fun here. Let's go. So boys are not really interested, so we'll go ahead. So Sham just wanted to pop a wheelie and he did so. And now we are going towards Leh. And right in front of us, check out the entire mountain peak, snow-capped mountain peak. Man, this is crazy. Look at that. Khardungla is going to be one tough place this time. If this is the kind of snow it is already, then it's going to be one tough time. So Leh also is going to be cold because of this one thing. We haven't checked what's the temperature today for Leh. So once we reach Leh, we'll figure that out. Well, as you progress towards Leh, the food out here is going to be very oily because of the weather condition, and for all those reasons the food served uphill here is always oily to give you proper grease in your body, and you know, all those things, because a lot of time people with arthritis, or normally people have bone joints pain, so the food here is super oily. And now the infrastructure also has developed in Leh, so you have too many food options. Earlier the options were very less. Now there is immense option. You can get any kind of food. Leh Square is a beautiful place to go and chill, and you know, you can have a good time, good evening there. And here we enter Ladakh city and going towards our room. And if you see right in front of us, it looks like cloudy. It's not cloudy, it's a snowstorm happening around Khardungla. So we have our journey to Khardungla 2 days from now. Hopefully by then things should be normal and we should not have an issue. And cross my fingers, am I praying that we should be able to comfortably do it. If not, it's going to be disappointing. So let's see, cross our fingers, because this time weather conditions have been extremely off the grid. These are the conditions which I've never ever seen so far. It's complete opposite. We've got rain, we've got summer, we've got winter, we've got rain and winter, we've got hailstorm already. So everything has been seen in the last 4 days. So I don't know what else we've got to see now in the next couple of days. But let's keep exploring, and the whole idea is to just have fun with the group. We've got an excellent group. We're just having a ball of a time. And all of us have ridden together so many times, so we have that bonding together and we know each other very well. So that's the fun of riding together with a group. Let's see. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch off my GoPro and I'm going to go to the hotel, and only then I am going to record whatever it is. Chalo, let's go to the room now.